Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 8. We are halfway through this course. Time is flying. I hope you all were able to attend the Zoom meeting this last Saturday in regards to observation 2. If you weren't, I'll make sure to put a recorded um, issue of it under Module 8 so you can still have all the information, the detailed information that we did go through. So in Module 8, we'll just dive right in. You are going to be reading Chapter 8 of our textbook. And in Chapter 8, you will be looking for these key points that I put up here. There's 6 key points. And you want to look at time sampling. So you want to be able to describe the process of time sampling and utilizing it for children's activity and free choice. Okay. You'll be able to explain the connection between brain functions and the approaches to learning. We also are going to learn about the importance that play plays as the role in learning for the young child. You'll also be looking at cognitive examples of cognitive development related to Piaget. And we're going to also talk about Vygotsky, his philosophy of the role of the teacher, how we should be scaffolding learning constantly, right? So you'll learn about that and be able to discuss that. Also, you'll be able to differentiate between the various cognitive abilities as related to attention span. And really take note of that because that is going to roll into our discussion board this week. So it is the SLO that we're going to be covering is we're going to be looking at observation tools, which is this time sampling this week. And then to be successful in week 8, you're going to be able, you should read chapter 8 in our textbook. And you're going to view the videos and the PowerPoint for chapter 8. You will complete your quiz by Friday, April 2nd. That is worth 10 points and you get 2 attempts. And then again, like I mentioned earlier, our discussion board this week is about attention span. So you're going to talk about different attention spans. And let me go ahead and go into that real quick. Now, again, you want to make sure your original post is due by Wednesday, 11:59 to get credit, and then 2 peer posts by the Friday. So in attention span, you're going to explain how the classroom setup influences attention span. It's very important your classroom is set up properly, again, to influence that attention span. You want to make sure to include each center. And I wrote down some centers that I have in my classroom, which is writing, science, housekeeping, dramatic play, listening, the blocks, reading, music, and art. Again, you're going to explain how the classroom setup influences children's attention span in each of these areas. Okay, let's go back to our module. And that is our discussion board for the week. And then you want to make sure to complete your midterm by the 3rd of April. Okay, and that is worth 75 points. And again, you get 1 attempt on that. Please review your study guide. I put all key terms in the study guide. So if you have your study guide, you've taken really great notes. You can utilize your textbook as well as your study guide when you're taking the quiz, or the midterm, I should say. And then you're going to complete your peer review for observation 2. So we've been working on observation 2. It's due April 2nd. It's worth 10 points. And again, by 11:59. And then you're going to continue working on it as well. So you want to have a rough draft, and you want to have your rough draft as completed as possible. So when you're having that peer review that, they're taking good notes or they're giving you good notes of what you're missing or what you can build upon. And then extra credit. So not only do I offer extra credit when you attend your Zoom calls on the Saturdays, the 3 Saturdays that I have indicated for detailed of the observations, I'm also offering some extra credit for a survey. And a survey, no one's going to see it besides me, and it is 100% anonymous, so I don't know who's writing what. So please be honest with it. And I'm offering 10 extra credit points for that as well, and that is due by the 3rd of April. So again, if you have not submitted all your assignments, in other words, if you're missing an assignment here or there, you're not eligible for the extra credit. Extra credit are for individuals who have submitted every single assignment to date. Okay, and those people will earn the extra 10 credits, extra 10 points, I should say. And that wraps it up for week 8. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a fabulous week and I'll see you soon.